Hello, friends. For my hand painting project, friends, today, guys, we are painting up a sweet little gingerbread girl that I'm going to be using on a rustic country wreath coming up very soon. Now, I got this a wooden gingerbread girl from Hobby Lobby. They also have a boy, and this one measures 12.48 by 15.81 inches, and I found her over in the Christmas section. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm taking off a few of those wooden pieces because they were not glued on evenly. Like the round of the cheek was almost over under her eye. Anyway, it just looked weird. I didn't realize it when I picked her up. Otherwise, I would have, look for a different one. So I am just taking that off, just using my heat gun to soften up that glue and using my spatula and my knife just to pry that apart. I take my time because I have found this wood is very thin and it will crack easily. All right, so what I'm going to do here, guys, is just paint up her little shirt and then her dress and just kind of put it to music. And just I get a lot of friends that say that they enjoy my painting. They enjoy seeing it's very relaxing. And this is going to be the first part of the pink and turquoise or teal gingerbread wreath that I am doing. I found some beautiful ribbon over at Craft Outlet. So we're going to be putting her on a Christmas wreath. And so I wanted to share how I painted up this sweet little girl.